India's role in the global agriculture export market. India, a powerhouse in agriculture, is a significant producer of agricultural and food items worldwide. The farm industry is crucial to India's economy, accounting for around 18% of its income. Did you know that India is the world's most significant rice exporter and ranks among the top exporters of other agricultural products such as buffalo meat, spices, tea, and cotton? India's agricultural exports are rising and diversifying. In 2022 to 23, India's agricultural exports were USD 53.1 billion, with fresh fruits being the top performer, showing a 29% increase. Rice is India's most widely exported agricultural product, accounting for more than 19% of farm exports in 2021-22. The major export commodities include rice, sugar, cotton, spices, fruits, and vegetables. The most prominent export destinations for India's agricultural products are the United States, Bangladesh, China, United Arab Emirates, and Indonesia. India's agricultural exports are a changing landscape that caters to a diverse range of global tastes. With the correct market knowledge, Indian exporters can flourish in the agri-export market and contribute to growing the country's global footprint.